It's your boy, That Boy Can Cook, in the place, in your face, with another bomb recipe. Something quick and easy, yet delicious. We all love us a good sloppy joe. A good sloppy joe. We all love us a good sloppy joe. Yeah. So meet me in the kitchen. Let's make it. Yeah. All right, these are your ingredients real quick. We got some nice brioche buns. We got a pound of ground meat. We got water. We got ketchup. We got chili powder. We got brown sugar, mustard, Worcestershire sauce. We got a half an onion, half a bell pepper, black pepper, and lawry seasoning salt. This is all you're gonna need for them delicious homemade sloppy joes. Let's get it. Right, let's go ahead and get our onion diced. We're just gonna cut the edges off. We'll get rid of that anyway. All right, and a quick, easy way to dice. Just score. Make sure you watch your fingers. Go around it as such. Make sure your fingers out the way. All right, and like I say, let's just get our dice stuff. Go ahead and get our bell pepper diced. All right, as you can see, we have our bell peppers and our onions diced. So let's go ahead and move to the stove. Tablespoon of olive oil. And get our veggies in here. We're gonna get our onions. There we go. I like to make my sauce separate from just adding it all to the meat. That way, if you need to make any adjustments to the taste, to the flavor of your sauce, you can do so before you add it to the meat. Let's go ahead and add our ketchup. Put that in there. Water to cool it down a little bit. There we go. Mix in this ketchup. So now let's get our mustard. Let's get our Worcestershire sauce in there. Get that a mix. Get our brown sugar. Get that mixed in. Make sure your brown sugar is well dissolved. Let's throw that chili powder in there. Yeah. So that sauce right here. Gonna taste it for lightness. Make sure you turn down your heat. You want it at a steady, slow, low simmer. Let's go ahead and add about a 1/3 cup of beef broth. As you can see, we got our sauce going. Tastes delicious. So let's let that reduce. Get our ground meat in now. Our lawry seasoning salt. Measurements are going to be in the description, so no worries on that. And ground black pepper. That's all we're doing. Ground meat is almost there, y'all. So all right, ground meat is ready. Now let's just get it drained. Our meat is done and our sauce is done. Oh, I wasn't ready to pour it in there, but that's what we're gonna do. We're just gonna add it to our meat. Yeah. And let's just get it all mixed in. All right, as you can see, our sloppy joe is done. Look at that. It's just enough to butter the buns. Just like that. There we go. Put some on top. Now we gotta have the buttery buns. Yeah. Make sure should be. Oh, there we go, right there. Nice. Okay. There it is. Top bun. Oh yeah. Now it's time to put this thing together. Fill them up. There it is. There it is. What I do, turn y'all on to a little something. I don't know, y'all might do it yourself. But hit it with a little mustard. That just makes the sandwich even that more better. There it is. That boy can cook. Like, comment, subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you know what we're doing, when we're doing it. Out the place, out your face. Till the next time, I'm gone. All right, family, as you can see, we are all said and done. You know what we gotta do. Check us out. Yeah. There it is. That's sloppy Joe right there. That's a sloppy Joe right there. That boy can cook. Out the place, out your face. Till the next time.